Meaning of groundbreaking.
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 Groundbreaking. Groundbreaking means that something is innovative, pioneering or original. It refers to something that breaks new ground or introduces new ideas and methods. A groundbreaking result could be a significant scientific discovery, a revolutionary technological breakthrough, or a game-changing innovation in business. Such results can have a profound impact on society, shaping the way we live, work and interact with each other. Groundbreaking results often require extensive research, experimentation and creativity, as well as the courage and vision to challenge established norms and push the boundaries of what is possible.